What if I told you that the endless variety we crave in our diets might be the very thing holding us back? In a world obsessed with novelty, new recipes, trending diets, endless meal prep options, there's a surprising counter-argument gaining traction: eating the same meal every single day. It sounds boring, doesn't it? Mundane. Maybe even restrictive. But what if this so-called monotony is actually the key to better health, less stress, and more time to focus on what really matters? Picture this. You wake up every day knowing exactly what you're going to eat. No mental battles over whether to go for something healthy or indulgent. No scrambling through cookbooks or scrolling through recipes online. Just a meal you've already perfected, balanced, nutritious, and tailored to your goals. Now, let's talk science. When you eat the same meal every day, you gain consistency. Consistency in calories, macronutrients, and portion sizes, things that are critical if you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or maintain a healthy lifestyle. And guess what? This routine can dramatically reduce decision fatigue. That's right, one of the most successful productivity hacks in the world can apply to your plate, too. But it's not just about saving mental energy. When you stick to the same meal, your gut microbiome benefits, too. A stable diet gives your digestive system the chance to adapt and optimize nutrient absorption. Your body becomes a well-oiled machine, and you'll notice the difference in your energy levels, mood, and even your skin. Still skeptical? Let's look at some of the world's top-performing individuals. Steve Jobs famously wore the same outfit every day to eliminate unnecessary decisions. Athletes stick to rigorous training and eating schedules to fuel peak performance. So, why not apply that same logic to your own nutrition? And don't worry, eating the same meal every day doesn't mean you're stuck forever. It means mastering a meal that works for you, and switching it up strategically when needed. Think of it as your health foundation. A constant in a world of chaos. So, is variety really the spice of life? Or is simplicity the secret weapon we've been overlooking? It's time to rethink the way we approach food and ask yourself this: could eating the same meal every day change your life?